Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome to our video. Before this video starts, let us introduce ourselves.
Hi, my name is Yurisul Fastianero. Hello, my name is Masya Almaiza Nazar Ramadhani.
Hi, my name is Alifah Putri Janazwatul Hikmah.
In this video, we will discuss the poem Hurt and Pain by Laura, explain the elements of the poem, and teach the pronunciation of some of the words in the poem. Okay, next are the learning objectives. So, by the end of the lesson, students in grades 10 to 12 are expected to be able to 1. Identify the correct pronunciation of some difficult words in the poem Hurt and Pain by Laura. 2. Analyze the elements of the poem such as theme, imagery, tone, metaphor, and rhythm. And the last one, 3. Explain how these elements enhance the meaning and emotional impact of the poem. Next, we will discuss the background of the poem. The poem Hurt and Pain reflects the universal human experience of facing pain, confusion, and suffering. The author wants to show that although pain is difficult to avoid, it can bring valuable lessons in life. The poem also conveys an optimistic message that through pain we can find peace, love, and happiness, which are the main goals of life. The negative and positive emotions in this poem are portrayed as complementary, creating a balance in the human journey. Now, before we continue discussing elements, let's listen to the poem.
Hurt and Pain by Laura. Hurt and pain, there's much to gain. Peace and love, it's all the same. Confusion and doubt, we are not without. We weep, we cry, we plead, we try. We love, we smile, only to be hurt by one last trial. Life is a lesson, so learn it well. Maybe one day you can tell its tale.
Next, we will go into a discussion of the elements in Laura's poem Hurt and Pain. In this section, we will explain several important elements. Let's start by discussing this element in more depth. First is theme. Theme atau tema adalah ide utama atau pesan yang ingin disampaikan penulis melalui puisi. Tema seringkali berkaitan dengan pengalaman hidup seperti cinta, perjuangan, atau harapan. Tema membantu pembaca memahami makna yang lebih dalam dari sebuah puisi. The theme of Hurt and Pain by Laura revolves around the complexities of human emotion and the journey of life. We can see in the verse, life is a lesson, so learn it well. Maybe one day we can tell its tale. It highlights how pain and struggles are inevitable, but can lead to growth and understanding. The poem contrasts emotions like hurt and love and hope, and emphasizes the importance of learning from life's challenges. Jadi, baris terakhir puisi ini menunjukkan bahwa hidup adalah pelajaran. Dengan menghadapi kesulitan, kita belajar hal berharga yang bisa dibagikan kepada orang lain. Tema ini mengajarkan kita untuk tetap kuat dan menemukan arti di balik suka dan duka. Next is imagery. Imagery adalah penggunaan kata-kata yang menggambarkan sesuatu sehingga pembaca bisa membayangkan atau merasakan apa yang dimaksud. Imagery bisa berupa gambaran visual, suara, bau, rasa, atau bahkan emosi.
We weep, we cry, we plead, we try, we love, we smile. This is imagery.
This passage creates a very strong emotional image through the use of words that describe various human experiences: crying, bleeding, laughing, and smiling. While these images are not very visual in the physical sense, like images of nature or objects, they are very strong emotional images that the reader can feel. Jadi, imagery dalam puisi ini membuat pembaca merasakan berbagai pengalaman dalam hidup, seperti saat kita berjuang, bahagia, atau menghadapi tantangan.
Tone adalah sikap atau suasana yang tercipta dari kata-kata dalam puisi. Nada bisa melankolis, penuh harapan, marah, atau bahkan bahagia. Nada membantu pembaca merasakan emosi yang dirasakan oleh penulis saat menulis puisi.
The poem has a melancholic and reflective tone, reflecting the feelings of someone who is contemplating life's challenges, pain, and how they can learn from those experiences. Puisi ini membawa rasa sedih, tetapi ada harapan dan penerimaan. Misalnya pada bagian We weep, we cry. Puisi menunjukkan emosi sedih dan putus asa. Other parts like life is a lesson, so learn it well, is the hope and wisdom that emerges, giving the impression that even though life is hard, there are lessons to be learned from the experience. Nada seperti ini menciptakan perbedaan yang jelas antara rasa sakit yang kita rasakan dan pelajaran yang bisa kita ambil darinya. Metaphor. Metaphor adalah perbandingan langsung antara dua hal yang berbeda tanpa menggunakan kata like atau as. Misalnya dalam kalimat life is a lesson, kehidupan diibaratkan sebagai pelajaran, yang artinya hidup mengajarkan kita banyak hal yang sangat berarti. Here, life is directly likened to a lesson. This means that every experience in life, both pleasant and painful, is part of a lesson to be learned. This is not an explicit comparison with the word like or as, but rather a statement that consider life as a valuable lesson. Pesan utama puisi ini adalah bahwa hidup penuh pelajaran yang dapat membuat kita menjadi pribadi yang lebih baik seiring waktu.
Next slide, we will discuss rhyme atau rima. Rhyme adalah pola persamaan bunyi di akhir kata dalam puisi yang menciptakan ritme dan keindahan. Dalam Hurt and Pain, terdapat pola rima yang cukup konsisten dan berfungsi untuk memperkuat tema serta pesan puisi. Next, rhyme scheme atau pola rima. Puisi ini menggunakan pola rima A, B, B, C, C, D, D pada sebagian besar barisnya. Berikut adalah analisis rima pada beberapa baris. Yang pertama, hurt and pain, too much to gain. Kata pain dan gain memiliki bunyi yang sama di akhir, menciptakan rima pasangan atau couplet. Pola rima adalah AA. Kedua, peace and love, it's all the same. Baris ini memiliki rima yang tidak terlalu eksplisit, tetapi tetap memiliki ritme yang harmonis. Pola rimanya adalah BB. Yang ketiga, confusion and doubt. We are not without. Doubt and without memiliki bunyi akhir yang mirip, meskipun tidak sempurna sehingga menciptakan rima yang mendekati. Pola rimanya adalah BB. Yang keempat, we weep, we cry, we plead, we try. Cry and try memiliki rima yang sempurna. Pengulangan bunyi ini memperkuat rima puisi dan menekankan emosi yang dirasakan. Pola rimanya adalah CC. Yang kelima, we love, we smile, only to be hurt by one less trial. Smile dan trial memiliki bunyi yang mirip, menciptakan rima akhir meskipun sedikit tidak sempurna. Pola rimanya adalah DEE. Yang keenam, life is a lesson, so learn it well. Maybe one day you can tell its tale. Pada bagian ini, well dan tell menciptakan rima yang sempurna, sementara day and tale menambahkan kelarasan ritme. Pola ritmenya adalah FFGG. Next is pronunciation. We will learn to pronounce some of the difficult words from the poem Hurt and Pain. Okay, one is hurt. Starts with a soft H followed by the U sound like in her. And and ends with T. It sounds like hurt, hurt. 2 is pain. Starts with P, followed by the I sound like in rain, and ends with N. It sounds like pain, pain. 3 is peace. Starts with P, followed by the E sound, and ends with S. It sounds like peace, peace. 4 is confusion. Starts with K, followed by an ah sound, and ends with zh, like an vision, and N. It sounds like confusion. 5 is dog. Starts with D, followed by OU, which sound like O, as in how, and ends with T. It sounds like dogged, dogged. And 6 is sweep. Starts with W, followed by the E sound, and ends with P. It sounds like whip, whip.
Next, 7 is love. Starts with L, followed by the A sound like in A, and ends with F. It sounds like love, love. 8 is trial. Starts with T, followed by the Ray sound like in cry, and ends with L. It sounds like trial. 9 is lesson. Starts with L, followed by the E, sound like in and ends with S and N. It sounds like lesson. Last is 10, tail. Starts with T, followed by the AI, sound like in say, and ends with L. It sounds like tail.
Question number 1. What is the main theme of the poem Hurt and Pain by Laura? The answer is B. The complexity of human emotion and life's journey. Question number 2. What is meant of metaphor in this poem? The answer is B. Direct depictions of life as a lesson. Question number 3. The past life is a lesson, so learn it well. Contains what element? The answer is C. Metaphor. Question number 4. What is the purpose of studying this poem? The answer is B. Understanding the elements of the poem and their role in enhancing its meaning. Question number 5. What is an example of imagery in this poem? The answer is A. We weep, we cry, we play, we try. Question number 6. What tone is felt in the line we weep, we cry? The answer is C. Sadness and despair. Question number 7. What is rhyme in a poem marked by? The answer is B. Similar ending sounds in certain lines. Question number 8. How is the word trial pronounced according to the pronunciation guide? The answer is B. Trial. Question number 9. What does the line "we laugh, we smile" only to be heard by one last trial indicate? The answer is D. The struggle of a difficult life. Question number 10. What is the purpose of using elements like pronouns, imagery, and tone in this poem? The answer is B. To create a personal connection and emotional impact.